Smartphone as webcam. Using a smartphone as a camera for your web meetings is an easy and affordable way to be visibly present if you don't have a webcam. All you need to do is install the app from the Play Store, log in, and use your phone's selfie camera and microphone to be a part of the meeting. If you're on a desktop PC running Windows and you use an Android phone, one of the easiest and wireless methods is to use an app called DroidCam. Step 1. Download the app from the Google Play Store on your phone. Your phone needs to be running Android 5.0 or higher. To check, go to Settings, then tap the About Phone tab, then tap on Android version tab. Step 2. Go to www.dev47apps.com/droidcam/windows and download the Windows application and your PC. Click the link in the description box below this video to get it. Follow the Setup Wizard's installation instructions. Step 3. Click the DroidCam app icon on your desktop to open it. Open the app on your Android phone, too. Also make sure your desktop and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It also works if your desktop is connected via Ethernet. Step 4. On the Android app, you will see some numbers after Wi-Fi IP and DroidCam port. Enter those values into the fields on the PC client that say device IP and DroidCam port, respectively. Make sure both video and audio is checked off. Hit Start. Well done, the phone app will launch the camera and you'll be able to see the feed on the PC client. For troubleshooting, please check the description box. Also request you to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button for latest video notification.